Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change DNS settings on PS4 console. So let's get straight forward. So just go to the settings, then what you'll need to do is go to your network settings right here and click on setup internet connection. Right here you'll need to select use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. So for the best performance I'm using LAN cable. Now what you'll need to select is custom, and right here select for IP address automatic, do not specify, and right here for DNS settings, as you can see, you'll need to select manual. And right here for the primary DNS you'll need to enter, let's delete that. Now you'll need to enter 1.1.1, and that's it. And for this one we'll need to enter, for this one is let's enter it again, 1.0.0.1, and now click done and click next. And for this one click automatically, right here do not use, and now you can test your internet connection. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.